Hi everyone, I am Jishnu and welcome to my YouTube channel Exotic Fruits in Kerala. In today's video, I will be showing you one of my recently fruited plant, that is sweet hawk plum. As you can see that this is almost 1 meter in height, almost kind of a bushy plant. And there are two main varieties. One is wild hawk plum and another one is hybrid variety, this sweet hawk plum. The main difference between the two is wild hawk plum is almost as big as a mango tree, and this hybrid variety is almost bushy in nature. Even you can grow this one in a bigger pot. Hawk plums are sun-loving plants. So whenever you are considering planting this on your home garden, you have to choose such a spot that throughout the day it should get sufficient amount of sunlight. So considering the fruiting nature of the plant, I will say that there is no particular season for this plant. Okay, so you can see that in my plant itself there are like almost ripened fruits, very small fruits, and even flowers in it. So throughout the year this particular plant will give you fruit. Okay, this particular plant, my plant is almost 1.5 year old, and it started giving me fruits from whenever it was like 1 year old itself. The unripened fruits are green in color, and it is almost having the same appearance of a small mango, kind of ovoidal in nature. Whenever the fruit is fully ripened, it will change to slightish yellow in color, not full yellow as a mango or so. This will turn to a slightish yellowish in color. Okay, there is one more variety called yellow mobile that will turn to like pure yellow in nature, but this particular variety doesn't like change as like an yellow mobile, but still it will be having a like slightish yellowish in color. Flavor wise and taste wise also this is almost similar to kind of a unripened mango, and it is almost having the same texture even. Okay, so whenever you like bite to an unripe mango, you will feel that crunchiness. Okay, for this hawk plum also it is having the same texture. And when you consider the taste, okay, it is almost like sourness in taste and with a little bit of like sweetness to it. Okay, so when you put a scale between 0 to 10, and 10 being the sourness of a lemon, and you can place this somewhere around 5 to 6. Okay, and in the sweetness, when you put a scale from 0 to 10, and 10 being the sweetness of a sugar cube, this particular fruit will somewhere come near to like 2 to 3. Even though this particular fruit is not very sweet in nature, but because of its pleasant that flavor, as well as because of this like crunchiness texture, it is very fun to have it. Either you can directly consume this fruit as fresh, or you can make a pickle out of it, or like you can put it into salads also. So in either way it tastes very nice. So now I will show that like how the fruit looks from inside when it is cut open. Okay, so I plugged one. This is not a fully ripened fruit, but still it tastes very nice, that's why I plugged it. Okay, so with a knife you can easily cut it through, and you can see that the inside portion, like the center portion of it, it is having like very small seed, and it is surrounded by fleshy crunchy outer portion. Okay, this the whole thing is edible. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next time I will come up with another fruit plant review, and until then, bye bye.